Hello internet, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna walk down the Venice Canals. These are located in the Venice area, Venice Beach. You might have heard a lot. But before we move on to the Venice Canals and its history and how they came into existence, please like and subscribe my channel. It's a tremendous amount of effort to make these kind of videos and bring it on YouTube for you to view. So please like, subscribe, and comment on the video, like what aspect of the video you like, what aspect you did not like. So I welcome all kind of comments. So let's dive into the history of Venice Canals and its surrounding locations. So when we talk about the history of Venice Canal, it starts in the early 1900s, like to be exact at 1905. That is when Abbot Kinney brought this vision of bringing the winds of Italy to America, and that is where he created this Winds of America. To be honestly speaking, the developer basically he envisioned this Winds of America in Los Angeles. He completed these canals, he dug up these canals, and he aimed to create a unique and charming seaside resort town. So, if you look deep down into the construction history, it's like Kenny hired engineers and workers to dig the canals. A lot of people died during the digging process and all, and bringing water into these canals, which is and also to be understood like the technology at 1905 or during that time was not very good, and it was not very accurate. So it makes a quite a challenging task to dig up these canals and populate a whole residential area or a seaside resort up to that point. So these canals were designed to be navigated through gondolas or small boats. That is why you see the appropriate width of these canals, so that a small boat or a small gondola can also ship into these ones. During the very early initial years, so these canals became very popular attraction in Los Angeles and greater Los Angeles area. People used to come here to visit these canals, take a boat ride, and you can understand the picturesque waterways and arched bridges. These gondola created boat rides and all. So these created a very unique experience for people, and it became quite an enchanting atmosphere. But unfortunately, during the rise of automobiles in California, specifically around Los Angeles during 1920s and early 30s, the canals were seen as less practical. They were like filled in like a lot of canals. With the original size, if you look at the canals, they were pretty big, but a lot of them like filled back to make way for roads and all. But in 1982, this decision was taken by the LA County that they are going to preserve the canal, a portion of the canal they are going to preserve for history and heritage, and that is where the Venice Canal Historic District was listed on the National Registry of Historic Places, and that is how this entire neighborhood got populated and all, and people started coming here, and future generations like us and yours and upcoming generations started to know about these places, and they started to come here. So let's talk about the system of the architecture and the uh, community which has been living on the Venice canals. You can see there is a sitting place, although it was locked, so we did not dare to go in there. But yeah, so the canal's layout is basically a grid system. The canals are laid out in a grid pattern with main canals running east to west and smaller canals intersecting them. So this design helps with water circulation and navigation. With the picturesque bridges spans all over the canal. It's like connecting over the canals, it's not a problem. Like you can do sidewalks, and you can like go over a pedestrian bridge, and you will be able to like just connect with the another side of the canal. The main important thing is the water source from where this water comes here. So the water basically comes from the Marina del Rey, which is nearby to Venice Canal, and it has been controlled. The flow of the water is basically a controlled one by the ocean water through tidal gates. They control the flow of the water, allowing for periodic flushing to maintain water quality. Hence, the quality of the water. You look at the water, you can see in the canal depth. It is so clean and so pure. It is because of that reason of the tidal gates, which controls the water. And this is another model home that we were looking at. So beautiful. We stopped here and we were started like inquiring about the small these homes which has been built on this tree. It's very nice. Like every home here at the Venice Canal has a different architecture. It has a different ecological system around it. Talking about the environmental aspect, the canals provide a habitat for a variety of birds, including herons, egrets, and ducks. You might even spot a seal or a leopard shark that has wandered in from the ocean. Yes, and leopard shark as well. Water quality, as I talked about, is very like maintained, very clean. The residents of the area also like maintains takes a great pride in maintaining the quality of the water around here. As far as the community goes, this is one of the most posh pin codes of Los Angeles County, or I would say Long Beach area. Like all the residents who are living here, they all have like major stake in the development of the community here, and hence they control a lot of aspects like the lifestyle and the annual functions and all those As you can things. See, like a big community of people comes here to visit the beach. There's a substantial amount of parking available here. You can park your car on the side, or if you're coming from Marina del Rey, you can park your boat here as well. And there's small playground for children. They can enjoy and having a really good time. There's a small barbecue place for a very substantial amount of fees that you can pay and enjoy barbecue with your family. These palm trees and sand dune beaches are here. You can see like a lot of people are enjoying like having a walk or evening walk, or like in the sunset. This all area becomes very beautiful. You can like come here with your beach chair and sit down. You can see a small family enjoying a volleyball game. These scenes are very nice to see, like families having a good time out here. You can also join these games and play with these people. The area is completely free. You don't have to pay a penny to be here. And since you're playing in the sand dunes, so the Long Beach people have provided, the community has basically provided a shower to wash your hand and feet and all. And there are multiple volleyball courts here. You can play handball, volleyball, whatever the game you like. You can sit around here and feed the ducks as well. You can wander around here and enjoy the beauty like of this particular area, this backwater. Basically this is a backwater from the Pacific Ocean, which has been coming here. And so yeah, this is it. I would like to thank all my subscribers, because recently I put a post that we have reached around 6,000 subscribers. So it's a great achievement as far as I am concerned. I'm very new to YouTube. I'm just trying to start my journey on YouTube. I'm still learning the aspect of editing a video, like making a script. And I'm doing this from ground zero. I have never done video editing or even clicked a good video and all. but I'm trying to learn all these things over the course of time, and you will see in my videos as well from very early videos like approximately 4 or 5 months ago to till now, the video editing, the quantity or the quality has improved a lot, and I'm still trying to improve on top of it. I'm still trying to learn lot of new things because learning in video editing or in filmmaking will never end. And that's what my aim is, to bring the world which I am seeing from my eyes, is bring it to you in that very raw form, so that you can also see from the comfort of your laptop, iPad, or mobile phone, or whatever the form you're consuming the content. So thanks again. Enjoy, some drone shots are coming. Enjoy these drone shots because these are very rare in the Long Beach area. And have a nice time. Thank you. Thanks again.